Welcome back to the channel. In this video, we are going to look at the following WWE news and rumors. Bobby Lashley explains why he crashed Raw's main event. Finn Balor provides an update on his WWE NXT status. Backstage reason for AJ Styles not being used on Raw leaked. Daniel Bryan tipped to win Bobby Lashley's title in his final WWE match. Don't forget to drop a like and subscribe for more. AJ Styles became a Grand Slam champion at WrestleMania 37 when he won his first tag team championship. Styles and his giant partner Omos defeated the New Day to become the Raw Tag Team Champions. Surprisingly, the two men have been absent from Monday Night Raw since their win at WrestleMania. It was speculated that Styles and Omos have been kept away from television in order to give Omos more time to train. The superstar is fairly green inside the ring, and apart from no-selling the New Day's attack, he did not do much during their match at WrestleMania. Cage Side Seats via WOL has reported that a two-time WWE champion like AJ Styles is being kept off television merely because the creative team doesn't have anything for him and his tag team partner for now. Brian Alvarez also said that everyone is available to be used on Raw and everyone who has been missing is simply because they haven't had anything written for them. That would apply to the Raw Tag Team Champions, AJ Styles and Omos. It looks like WWE is preparing Randy Orton and Riddle to become the next challengers for the Tag Team Championships. Apart from that, the returning Viking Raiders have also been booked strongly for the past few weeks. It is still perplexing that the company would choose to have someone with the star power of AJ Styles absent from the show. Even if WWE doesn't have any story planned for the Raw Tag Team Champions, it would still make sense to have backstage interviews or vignettes featuring the two men. It can be argued that by not having them show up on Raw, the title win at WrestleMania 37 has been devalued. Bobby Lashley was present at the main event during this week's episode of Monday Night Raw. The WWE Universe witnessed Lashley's questionable tactics as he attempted to have Drew McIntyre defeat Braun Strowman in the main event. The idea was to give McIntyre the win, in order to prevent Strowman from being added to the WWE Championship match at WrestleMania Backlash. Unfortunately, Lashley's plans didn't work out as Strowman eventually won the match. However, Bobby Lashley recently revealed on Twitter that there was another agenda related to his appearance at this week's main event. Apparently, the Almighty was there to scout out potential competition. The WWE Champion also gave a similar explanation on Raw Talk. Business isn't always handled in the ring, you gotta know who you're up against. At the 305 MVP, and I did our scouting, and now we know, #WrestleMania Backlash. It's on, #WWE Raw at WWE. Bobby Lashley will now face Drew McIntyre and Braun Strowman in a triple threat contest at next month's WrestleMania Backlash event, so scouting the competition was a smart idea on Lashley's part. With the inclusion of Strowman, the build-up to this WWE Championship match has become quite intriguing. It will be interesting to see how Bobby Lashley deals with both the monster among men and the Scottish Warrior in the upcoming weeks. In addition to his upcoming WWE Championship defense at WrestleMania Backlash, Bobby Lashley will also be contemplating the future of the Hurt Business. The stable has been short on manpower since Shelton Benjamin and Cedric Alexander were removed from the group. There have been instances that both prove and disprove the possibility of some affiliation between MVP and the duo of Mace and T-Bar. The Hurt Business is always recruiting, and there are plenty of talented individuals on WWE's roster that could find themselves in the faction. While the current focus is on the WWE Championship match at WrestleMania Backlash. Who would you like to see join the Hurt Business? Let us know in the comments section below. Finn Balor revealed on Twitter that he will be returning to WWE NXT next week. There have been plenty of questions regarding the future of the former two-time NXT champion after dropping the title to Cross at TakeOver, Stand and Deliver several weeks ago. Tonight during the broadcast of the Black and Gold brand, Finn Balor posted a tweet revealing that he's currently on vacation in Mexico and will make his return next week. The Prince tweeted out the following message to the WWE Universe: "Viva Mexico, recharged, refreshed and refocused. Next Tuesday, Finn is back," said Finn Balor in his tweet. Following his loss to Cross at TakeOver, Stand and Deliver, many felt that Finn Balor could be making his way back to either Raw or SmackDown. Balor's initial run on WWE's main roster started off on a bright note as defeated Roman Reigns in his first night on Raw. The Prince went on to defeat Seth Rollins at SummerSlam 2016 to become the first ever WWE Universal Champion. Unfortunately, during the said match with Rollins, Balor suffered a shoulder injury which forced him to relinquish the championship and have surgery to repair the damage. when the two-time NXT champion returned to the main roster, he never found the same success he initially during his debut year. Luckily, the Prince has found himself again in WWE NXT, and has been one of the cornerstones of the black and gold brand over the last couple of years. With the latest update, it seems like Balor is in the black and gold brand for the long haul. It will be interesting to see if the Prince will go back after the NXT title, or will get into a new feud. Are you happy to hear that Finn Balor will be back with the black and gold brand next week? Did you think he was destined to return to Raw or SmackDown? Let us know your thoughts by sounding off in the comments section. Former WWE writer Vince Russo believes Daniel Bryan should win the WWE Championship from Bobby Lashley in his final WWE match. Bryan's WWE contract is due to expire later this year. If the 39-year-old fails to defeat Universal Champion Roman Reigns on this week's episode of WWE SmackDown, he will be banished from the show. Russo, WWE's head writer in the late 1990s, spoke to Dr. Chris Featherstone on Sportskeeda Wrestling's Writing with Russo. If Bryan leaves WWE, Russo thinks he should win the WWE Championship and set up a Lashley babyface turn in the process. "Bro, to me this last match should exemplify everything Daniel Bryan is like," Russo said. "Bro, say it's Lashley, say Lashley goes unscathed from now, and this is Lashley killing him, can't put him away, and, bro, the longer it's going on, the more Lashley's running out of gas. It's gotta be that kind of a match, and then, bro, like I said, the next day he goes out there beaten, bandaged, the whole 9 yards, saying, 'I'm a man of my word.'" Vince Russo suggested that Bobby Lashley could turn babyface by shaking Daniel Bryan's hand immediately after their match. The storyline could lead to Drew McIntyre aligning with MVP, setting up a rematch between Lashley and McIntyre further down the line at WrestleMania 38. Daniel Bryan goes over in the match, like Lashley's just exhausted, Russo added, even let him roll out. And then the next night is the big goodbye speech. Let Lashley bust that because now Lashley gives him. Remember Apollo Creed, in Rocky 2, "I beat that man like I've never beaten before and he kept coming back." Let him give that speech. People will pop huge, and then do exactly what you just said. All MVP has to say is, "When did you get soft? This isn't what I signed up for, man." Russo added that the story of someone winning the title on their way out of WWE would be perfect for Daniel Bryan. He believes the person losing the title, Bobby Lashley, would still look strong due to the handshake and babyface turn.